Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a Rosemary Hair Growth Spray. This is from Sesa Vedscience. Let's see the product. The brand name is Sesa Vedscience. This product is Rosemary Hair Growth Spray. It says Science plus Ayurveda. Ingredients. This spray has rosemary, rice water. Rosemary is good for scalp health. Rice water helps hair shine. This is made to support hair growth. Bottle and packaging. The bottle looks very clean and simple. It is easy to hold in hand. The spray nozzle is strong and good quality. I like this packaging. It looks premium and neat. How to use? You can spray this directly on the scalp. Massage gently with fingers. No need to wash immediately. You can use it daily, morning or night. Who can use? This product is for men and women. Good for people with hair fall, thin hair or dry scalp. Honest note, this is not for a magic product. Result depends on regular use and hair type. If you like this unboxing, please like, share and subscribe. Tata, bye bye, see you.